bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye. You are Goober. You said tractor? Tractor? Say tractor.
Tractor.
Tractor. Say egg. Got egg on your plate. Where's your eggs? Say egg. Quit being camera shy. Egg. Where's your nose? Honk honk. Where's your teeth? Yay! Where's your eyes? Yay! Where's your ears? Yay! Where's your chin? Where's your cheek? Cheek? Cheeks. Oh, come on, you know where your cheeks are. Where? Your hair. Yay! Where's your head? Where's your elbow? Yay! Where's your shoulder? No, that's your wrist. Where's your shoulder? Up here. Shoulder. Where's your belly button? Belly button. There's your belly button. Where's your feet? There they are. Where's your toes? Where's your fingers? Where's your hands? That's your teeth. Where's your hands? Clap. Your hands. Yay! Where's your thumb? That's your tongue. Where's your thumb? Thumb. Where's your lips? Yucky. Where's your neck? You don't remember that one, do you? Neck? Yeah, that's it. Where's your chest? That's your neck. Where's your chest? Yay! Where's your tummy? Your tummy? That's your chest. Where's your knee? Got it! Yay! Where's your butt? Can you say egg? That's your butt. Quit pointing to your butt. Say egg. Egg. Have a bite. Is it good? Can you say bacon? Bacon? Bacon. You say tractor? Tractor? Quit saying bacon. Say tractor now. Tractor? Did you see a tractor outside today? Really? Tractor? Tractor? No, you can't have it. Say mommy. Mommy? Can you say grandma? Can you say grandma? Say grandma. No. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye? Bye-bye. Wave bye-bye.